guys, it's Mulcher with RumbleLab. Have you ever heard of a fidget spinner? Of course you've heard of a fidget spinner. Everybody has a fidget spinner. They're kind of old news now. Now since fidget spinners are old news, we wanted to show you a new type of fidget spinner, the Rumble Top. In fact, tops are actually the original fidget spinner, but they're really cool and fun to play with. For the Rumble Tops, you invent your own and you take it into battle. And the best inventor, well, they're gonna win. Now, we wanna show you how to make some using the RumbleLab kit. Making a Rumble Top can be as simple or as complicated as you want. You can start with just taking one of your parts and a dowel and installing the dowel onto the part. What you can do is use a magical friction reducer, basically a crayon, and color your dowel. That way the friction between the dowel and the gear will be a lot less, and it'll make pushing your dowel on a lot easier. Be sure to color your dowel on top of a sheet of paper though. We'd hate for you to mark on your table. After you make a basic one, you can try modifying it to make it more and more complicated. Boom! After you play around with some of the simple designs, you can move on to making your more advanced top. The more advanced top is going to spin better because it's more balanced, and we'll touch on that in a later video. To make the advanced top, you're going to need to take your screw and two of your nuts and thread them all the way down. These are going to act as a spacer. Then slip your little piece of slide stock. It's the bigger of the two pieces of squishy tubing in your box, and then you can slide your disc on. Next, thread your wing nut all the way down and tighten it up. As you tighten your wing nut, you're gonna squish the slide stop, which is gonna make it bulge, which will lock your disc in place. Then you can slip the piece of blue tubing down on top of the screw. This will act as a grip. You can trim off any extra afterward. Then try it out. There aren't many tops that can beat this top. It spins really well. But yeah, just have fun with it. We really want to see what you come up with. Try to make your own. And be sure to let us know by tagging us at the RumbleLab on social media. Once you try out these tops, you should check out some of our out-of-the-box ideas. We'll link to that video at the end here. But you should totally check it out because there are some crazy ideas. And in the next couple of weeks, we're gonna have a top making contest. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and then ring the notification bell next to it so you know whenever that top contest goes live, because we're gonna be awarding some cool prizes to our favorite designs. So yeah, as always, have a wonderful day. Happy inventing, over and out. Yeah.